just finished this hedgehog themed cake for a hedgehog lover on my birthday. I'll show you all the way around. So we've got a tree stump, got some acorns and some leaves, got a little branch sticking out as well, some little mushrooms, of course the hedgehog's on top, some leaves, that goes all the way around. Everything is 100% edible. I've used a combination of food colouring and dust to get this shaded effect. Pretty simple to do actually, one of the easier cakes I've had to make. This is just an 8-inch round cake in 4 layers. Inside's lemon, filled with lemon buttercream and a lemon curd. And then all I had to do really